Lindsay Rhymes here with the Platinum MVP team at Keller Williams and the Consumer Quarterback radio and TV show. Thanks so much for joining into our YouTube channel today. We are talking about what buyers want. So I'm going to go through a few bullet points with you on what's popular on the market right now. This might be useful information for you if you're thinking about selling your house, you're a flipper here in the Tampa Bay area, or you're redoing your house and you might be doing a future sale down the line not too far away. The first thing we're going to talk about is open floor plans. Buyers love the open floor plan. So if you can think about opening up that property a little bit, even if you've got the kitchen and living room area open to each other, this can make small spaces feel bigger and just a little bit more comfortable and a little bit more cozy. So open floor plans are a big one on the list these days. The next thing that a lot of my clients are asking for is the lighter colored kitchens. I do not see a lot of people wanting the darker colors anymore in the kitchens. If you're thinking about cabinet colors and granite colors, I would definitely go towards the lighter colors, the more neutral colors. A great granite to go with is Fantasy Brown. I have done my entire home in Fantasy Brown in the kitchen and in the bathrooms, and I've got 3 different cabinet colors. And the reason why I love this granite is because it's affordable. It's a level 1. Granite can go all the way up to level 5, and this is affordable and it looks great. It goes with warm colors and with cool colors. It's a really, really good option, and it just looks really sharp. The next thing I want to talk about is no carpet, okay? There is very, very, very few people on the market right now looking for carpet in the homes. So a really easy solution would be to go with a great looking laminate, even a tile that looks like wood. You can see here behind me in our home that we've done a tile that looks like wood. This super affordable tile lasts forever. It's great in the humid markets like Florida. And these tiles were $124 a square foot. Again, very affordable. So a great option, okay? No carpet. The next thing that I want to talk about is the accent walls. Okay, these are becoming popular, and we're seeing wallpaper in homes again, which is kind of crazy. But when you go with something that's a little bit more neutral and you're only doing one accent wall, that is the key, okay? You don't want to do the whole room because that's going to be a little bit too overpowering and a little bit too much. And again, you want to stay with the neutrals. You don't want to go with anything too crazy or too bold. If you're a seller right now and you've got a room that's got bright red walls, my advice to you would be to neutralize those a little bit. Go with a beige or an owl gray, a neutral tone, and it's going to be a lot more desirable for the buyers. With the accent walls, the other things that we're seeing that are really popular, shiplap wainscoting, in the neutral colors still. I've got, this is peel and stick wallpaper that I've done here in my home. I did this myself. I did the peel and stick also on an accent wall in our daughter's room. And then I did the real deal wallpaper in one of our bathrooms for an accent wall. And that was quite the project, but I got it done. Now, for me, I can see imperfections in the job that I've done here, so I would recommend definitely using a professional. It is only one wall, so it's not going to be as expensive as if you were doing the entire room, but this can really make a room pop. So an office would be a great place to do this. The master bedroom would be a great place for an accent wall. I'm seeing also really popular doing one of the walls in the dining room as an accent wall as well. So these are options that can really make the property pop. And remember, don't go too bold. Stay a little bit more neutral, a little bit less busy. You can see this wallpaper is busy, but it's light colored. So that's the big difference. And then you can throw your accent colors in to jazz it up in terms of chairs. I've got, this nice green chair here. You can do throw pillows, blankets, different colors for couches and things like that. They can really change the feel of the home. And then down the line, when you want to change the style, you don't have to worry about painting the whole house or redoing all of the flooring. So that's one of the reasons why these neutrals are so popular and so great to use. So if you liked this video and you found any value, please hit like and share. As always, we are here for you as consumer advocates. You can always call our consumer advocacy hotline, 813-917-1894. And we hope that you have a very blessed and happy day.